So I need you to help me convey this message to those in the bushes. No liberator succeeds by killing his own people. Oh yeah. Help me convey this message to those people who speaks and shout or echoes woto woto. That no liberator or no liberational army takes the lives of his people. No liberation army fights his people. The Bible says, and David with his soldiers invaded the camp of the enemies. They succeeded. They conquered because they consulted the Lord. But that's by the way. When they came back, they brought some relief materials to their own people. The Bible says, and everyone's burdens were lifted up their shoulders. You know one thing with these particular people, when you tell them the truth, they say you are a sabo. You tell them stop, they tell you that government is paying you. Those are the people that lays such comments on our comment section. But guess what? I know it as I know my name, that in Exodus chapter 32 from verse 1, the Bible says, and when Moses tarried, the children of Israel, instead of them to wait and hope until he comes back, that's a parable. And it's also found in the Bible. They ran unto Aaron and said to Aaron, make us a God who will go ahead of us. One man woke up and made himself a prime minister in the absence of the same man who had the vision. He made himself a prime minister. And I said, what? I listened to another clip and he said that he's not ready to take order from any man who is in custody. The major man who started liberation of his people, as we all know, that he can never authorize anybody that you should lift up AK-47 machines and flog it on your own people you claim you are there to liberate. And everybody in your own region is being tagged Sabo. The moment you try to correct them, the baptismal name they give to you is Sabo, or the government is paying you. Which government? Some of these governors who sleeps in Abuja. Some of these governors who can no longer go to their villages, are they the ones to pay you? Pay you to do what for them? People don't listen to wise counsel and people don't hearken to what is right. The same man you said you are fighting for his liberation in custody said to you in the video that he is not in support of you taking the life of anyone from his own place. Not even one single Igbo person. That he is in custody because of these people. That you did not listen. But because you want to perfect your enterprise and you want to go further in speed to perfect your business of kidnapping, murder, kill our people, you continue in what you're doing. Power tussle here and there, all because you want to raise money and infiltrate the conscience of our people. That is your business. That's why you don't want to listen to his command again. If you can make yourself a prime minister in his absence, which means, do you know the charge of mutiny? Do you know what it means to mutiny somebody, your leader? I thought that many of you went to school, many of you read 48 laws of power. You want to outshine the master. While you are trying to outshine the master, what happens to you? They give you 6 years imprisonment. That's the way life is. And if you are pained because so many of us speaks up against you and your gang and what you do, bro, listen to me. You are from what's it called, Ebonyi State. You are from Abakaliki, and all you could bring to Imo State or to this thing, to Okigwe, Omaaka also, is for you to give order. All of us in this part of the world, we saw the original men created by Kanu, by Mazin Nnamdi Kanu. We saw what he created. The people, they were not in his own time and present, in his own regime. They weren't going against our people. They were not kidnapping our people. They were not burning down people's houses. They were not tagging people Sabo. Their business was they minded our bushes. They were guiding our bushes. How come you that claims that you are guiding our bushes, all of a sudden he announced by himself that this army is not announced? I'm quoting him. All of a sudden the 3 guys in the bushes are now announcing themselves Liberation Army. Who gave you the authority? Who authorized you? So even if the Igbos are to have a nation, and we're going to, this kind of people who call themselves General and Chief of Army Staff, are they the kind of people we are going to have amongst us with dreadlock? You can lift AK-47, conscienceless human beings and idiots, and you just flaunt your AK-47 machines and go our people down. Litter their corpses everywhere. In the name of fighting for struggle and liberation for them. Any liberator on the surface of planet Earth who celebrates the death and the killings of his people, that person is worse than an idiot. Show me one place you've defended in Igbo land, and I will show you 2 places you've made so uninhabitable for people. I will show you places where you've burned down houses. Take the same measure. It's not by you sitting in Finland that you give order, you live abroad, you give order. Can you come and carry gentle? We are dashing you gentle. We are dashing you angel makeup. We are dashing you all of these people. Take them to your own community. What they've given to Okigwe, what they've given to Aaron Dizogo, what they've given to Umaka, what they've given to Osu. Carry these whole people. Take them to your own village. Your own houses are still standing and you're celebrating. You think all of us will keep quiet? If we talk, you tell us that we are Sabo. Since you are not Sabo, right? Thank you. Come and carry this, our brother. We have willed them to you. Take them to your own place. If they stay in your village for 6 months, if your mother does not run out to the city, call me a bastard. That's a promise. No liberator bargains for the death of his people. I'm telling you. So you are crying because one man is jailed, right? And you're not concerned about the thousands of persons that are being displaced in Osu. People that are displaced in Obinetiti right now. Because your own village, your house is still standing. God will wish you what you have wished him will state. That's my prayer for you. My name is Governor Ezioku. Whatever you see me post, no apology to it. I don't care how you feel, but that's the simple me. Thank you.